Alright, just making a quick refresher on how to add new pages to your website. Alright, so first thing, I'm going to go open project. I want to make sure that I'm in my actual website project. That's my username.github.io Git repository. There's my R project. Get that open. Alright, now Control O shows me that I've got index.rmd. That's my main site. I'm just going to go ahead and look at that. Okay, so here it is. That's my main page. If I hit Control Shift K to knit it, alright, so there's my landing page. Alright, what we need to do is make another RMD that knits to an HTML and then provide a link to it. So I'm going to show you that. Alright, so for, say, exam 3, where you're taking an existing data set, doing analysis, turning it into a website, I'm going to go File, New File. What do I pick? R Markdown. That's right. I'll call that exam 3 example. For this case, HTML. Okay. Well, it gives me some stuff. I'm going to delete most of it. Okay, so now I can get cracking on my my analysis. Alright, so I've built myself a little RMD document here. Alright, this is just an example, a little template for how to turn one of these into a web page. Alright, so here I'm doing iris. I've loaded the packages I need and the data. Do a little GG pairs to explore it, an initial plot, build a model based on that, and then compare predictions with reality. Right? Very, very simple, very short. I hit Control Shift K to knit this new RMD document, and it's going to say, hey, what do you want me to save this as? Well, that's a good question. Well, I believe I'm going to save it here in Data Course. I've already got something called index. I've already got something called ugly plot contest. So keep in mind, this is just a folder within my gzon.github.io. Okay, I can put this anywhere, but I'm going to stick it there in Data Course. I'm going to say example RMD web page. Okay, and note that it saved it as a .rmd. And now since I hit Control Shift K, it's actually knitting that. It's going to make my little website, and this is what the website's going to look like, or web page rather. That's it. All done. Couldn't be more simple, or simplistic, I suppose. But there it is. Okay. So that's going to be my website. Now I want to link to that. So get this. I'm going to Control O to open my index.rmd there in the data course page of my website. So inside there, open that, and note how links are done. We do square brackets, the name of the link, how it appears on the site, and then the address. Okay, so home is just the main one. It automatically goes for something called index.html. Okay, so all of these I'm just sending it to a different folder. Those folders all have an index.html. But here I am inside of this one, data course. So that's going to be the beginning. I'm going to copy that of my address. Okay, and then let's see here, where should I put this? Week 10, linear regression. Put it in 13. Resources. I'm going to say square brackets, example RMD to HTML, and then in parentheses I'm going to put how to get there. Alright, so it's my main site in data course, and then it's called example RMD website dot, wait, not red, RMD website dot HTML, because we knitted to HTML, and so there it is. I'm going to knit this, Control Shift K, so it's updating my data course website. Okay, and that was week 10 or 11 or something. Oh, putting it all together, 13. This may not be the best spot for it, but there it is, example RMD to HTML. If I click that, it's going to say page not found. How come? Well, because I haven't pushed anything to GitHub yet. Okay, so that's the next step. So now, here in my project, I'll go over here, not in environment, I'm in Git, right there. Alright, so the main index HTML has changed. The web page RMD and HTML have been added. The data course index and RMD have been added. So I'm going to just put those. I'm going to commit them. Example website instructions. Commit. Close. Push. Come on, you can do it. Done. Okay. Now it should be up online in a few seconds. Alright, so here I am in my GitHub page. I've got my gzon at github.io, that's my website. So, excuse me. If I go to data course, I should see, yep, there it is, example RMD webpage.html. Okay, I can look at the R markdown here, but if I want to see this in action, I actually need to go to my website, click on data course, go look for week 13. There it is. Still not found, huh? Example RMD website.html. Oh, come on now. Let's go back to my GitHub. Example RMD web page. Let's try this out again. I called it website, not web page. That was stupid. Web page. Control Shift K. Cool. Add those. Commit. Commit message. Take two. Yes, commit. Close. Push. It's always something. Okay. Repositories. Updated 11 seconds ago. Let's make sure. Web page. Now I'm going to make sure that it's in there as written. So I'm going to look at my main page for the data course. Wait, wrong one. Index. I'm going to go all the way down to week 13 where I stuck the link. Okay, and it still says, alright, so now it says web page, so we're good. So now I can go to the actual website, data course, week 13. It still hasn't updated. It's saying website. So give it time. Yay! It worked. So that's how you turn any RMD into an HTML and link to it from your website.
I've kept my mouth shut too long.